4.2010 Lincoln Town Car SD. This vehicle features the following equipment: 3-speed automatic, 4.6-liter 8-cylinder, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, tinted glass, rear window wiper, leather seats, bucket seats, driver's side power seat, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, driver's side airbag, trip odometer, analog gauges, intermittent wipers, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, anti-lock brakes, heated seats, security features, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, compact disc player, 3-speed, automatic transmission, traction control, passenger side airbag, rear window defroster, fold-down rear seat,